Ready for an even easier method of controlling all the Bose SoundTouch speakers in your home? All you need to get started is an Amazon Alexa-enabled device and your voice. Let's begin by downloading the Amazon Alexa app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and log in, or create a new account. Once you're logged in, tap the menu bar and select Skills. Next, tap the search bar and type in Bose. Select the Bose SoundTouch control skill from the search results and then tap Enable. Now sign in to your SoundTouch account. A list of SoundTouch speakers found on your account will be presented. Tap OK to confirm and complete setup. For the best experience, we recommend naming your SoundTouch speakers with something easily understood by Alexa, such as the room they're located in. Try to avoid names that contain numbers and special characters. Okay, now let's give this feature a try. Always begin your requests by saying the phrase, "Alexa, ask Bose." Alexa, ask Bose to play preset 1.
Would you like to play preset 1 on bedroom, kitchen, office, living room, porch, or all speakers?
Bedroom. Alexa, ask Bose to play preset 2 in the living room.
Okay.
Alexa, ask Bose to play preset 3 everywhere.
Okay.
Alexa, ask Bose to turn off the office.
Okay.
As you can see, the Bose SoundTouch control skill for Alexa makes controlling your SoundTouch systems even easier.
For additional help, visit our website.